In this video, you learn how you can save your 3D print project forever. Inside the Slicer software, Bambu Studio for example, you can click on File and then on Import. There you can import an STL or other 3D file as your 3D model. Another way is to click right mouse button on an STL file and choose Open With and choose your slicer. Please subscribe if you like it, thanks. Then your model will be loaded in the Slicer software. Now the model is ready to be prepared for 3D printing. If you want to change the filament color, click on the number here. Choose another color and click on OK to change the model color. Here you can change the print quality. Let's go for extra draft in this example. And if you want, you can change other settings as well. Click on the model to select it, and then click on the Auto Orient button. Now it's so oriented that you don't need any support material. You can also auto-arrange models, but that's more suitable when you want to print more models at once. Click the model and hold left mouse button to drag its position. When you're happy with all print preparations, you can save the project here, or you can choose to save the project with another file name. This is a new project, so choosing Save Project will be good. After saving the project, you can close the slicer. And here, you see a 3MF file has been created as the project file. Double-click or right-click on the 3MF file. Then choose Open With and choose your slicer. Now the model and its settings will be opened inside the slicer. You see the extra draft quality is still there. Also, other settings like filament and model orientation will be saved inside a project file. You might also want to check out my 3D design channel. See you there. And if you like music, you might also want to check out this channel.